Welcome back to Samson's Academy. I'm Pranoy Samson, and today this video is dedicated to all my mathematics students. Does not matter if you're a grade 12 student or an engineering student. My dear students, today we are going to start with a topic well versed and well known as, yes, integration. Now, what do you mean by the word integration? This video is going to speak about how we try to learn anti-derivatives. Anti-derivative is nothing but an inverse process of derivative, which is also known as integration. Now, my dear students, in my previous videos, you have already seen what are derivatives. In this video, we are going to understand that how this topic derivative is important for your integration. The first topic in integration is anti-derivative. मतलब क्या? इसका मतलब सिंपल ये है कि आपको डेरिवेटिव में एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है और आपको बोला जाता है कि इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालो. What do? You directly take the question, you directly use the formulas given to you, and you find a derivative. Example के तौर पे, if I take a very simple question from your CBSE textbook called as what is the derivative of cos 3x? So if I want to find the derivative of cos 3x, what do? I first find the derivative of cos. So what is derivative of cos? The derivative of cos is minus sine. So I say minus sine 3x, and after that cos का derivative minus sine है. अब हम derivative 3x का निकालेंगे, so it will be derivative of 3x. So now what is the derivative of 3x? Yes, you're correct. The derivative of 3x is 3. So minus sine 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. Your answer is minus 3 sine 3x. A specific question has a specific answer. But integration is not about that. Anti-derivative का मतलब होता है आंसर से क्वेश्चन लेके आना. हम रिवर्स इनवर्स प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. Let's try to find the same thing. If I take a question from your textbook, what is the antiderivative of sine 3x? Antiderivative. इसका मतलब अब ये एक क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये एक आंसर है और हमें ऐसा क्वेश्चन ढूंढना है जो ये आंसर दे सकता है. नाउ वी नो कि अगर मुझे डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, सो एंटी डेरिवेटिव में ये नंबर नहीं दिखेंगे, हम देखेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. नाउ कौन सा क्वेश्चन का या कौन सा डेरिवेटिव का आंसर साइन है? सो यस, डेरिवेटिव of cos x is minus sin x. Don't worry about the sign, don't worry about the number. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम derivative of cos 3x लेंगे. So derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x. याद रखना, we are interested in only this part. Derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x, derivative of 3x, which yes is nothing but minus sin 3x into 3. I can rewrite this as cos 3x is equal to minus 3 sin 3x. Now my dear children, this is d by dx. ये dx डिनोमिनेटर में इधर चला जाएगा, तो it will be dx like this, मल्टीप्लाई होगा. Now क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ sin 3x है, तो मुझे यहाँ पे सिर्फ sin 3x चाहिए. अनवांटेड चीजें मतलब -3 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर आके डिवाइड होगा, आई गेट द एंटी डेरिवेटिव दैट इज sin 3x. What will I do is I'll write this here only so that you can understand. Sin 3x is equal to minus cos 3x upon 3. इसका मतलब the anti-derivative of cos 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3, which I can also write this as, ये 3 को मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ minus 1 upon 3 cos 3x. That is the answer of sin 3x, or I can actually call it as the question of sin 3x. Students, remember your entire integration chapter is one of the most easiest chapter. जैसे आपके 10th standard में trigonometry नाम का चैप्टर था, where you had 4 exercises. The first, each and every exercise had its own method. बस आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि कब कौन सा मेथड लगाना है. यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि सर यही तो प्रॉब्लम है, कब कौन सा मेथड लगाना यही तो नहीं आता. एंड दैट इज व्हाई स्टे ट्यून्ड टू दिस वीडियो. इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, like the channel, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, and do not forget to press the bell icon button so that you can get updated with more and more videos. So coming back to integration, we are going to take from your exercise 7.1 a little difficult question, a question that you feel or might think is difficult, is a question number 9 called as find the antiderivative of sin 2x minus 4e to the power 3x. Now my dear children, antiderivative हमको याद रखना है, we have to separate it. मतलब हम sin 2x का antiderivative निकालेंगे, फिर 4e to the power 3x का अलग से antiderivative निकालेंगे. जिस तरीके से हमने अभी previously sin 3x का निकाला था, उसी तरीके से हम sin 2x का भी निकालेंगे. Yes, you got it right. How are we going to find sin 2x का? This remember, ये तुम्हारा आंसर है, हमें ये देखना है कि कौन सा डेरिवेटिव sin 2x देगा. So now we know that derivative of cos 2x will give you minus sin 2x, derivative of 2x, which can be written as cos 2x is equal to minus sin 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. एंड ये जो dx है, ये dx यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है, इट विल गो टू द अदर साइड, इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस एज cos 2x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x dx. अब ये -2 इधर आएगा, आई गेट -1 upon 2 cos 2x is equal to sin 2x dx. This is the antiderivative of sin 2x. Up in the same way, we will find minus 4e to the power 3x. Now my dear children, e to the power f of x या फिर कोई भी पावर हो x के टर्म में, वो वही रहेगा. That means I'm just erasing one part. I'm writing this question here, this part here as minus half cos 2x equal to sin 2x dx. Now when you talk about 4, सबसे पहले याद रखना, I need, what do I need? I need e to the power 3x. I told you, do not look at the sign, do not look at the number, just remember हमारा question ये है. So derivative of e to the power 3x is equal to e to the power 3x derivative of 3x, which is nothing but e to the power 3x is equal to, ये e to the power 3x वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3x is 3, और ये जो dx है ये ऊपर जाएगा, it will get dx. So you are going to get the answer as e to the power 3x is equal to 3e to the power 3x. नाउ एक बार ये आ गया, आई नीड दिस, ये 3e के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, नीचे आके क्या होगा, डिवाइड, सो इट विल बी e to the power 3x upon 3 is equal to e to the power 3x dx. Does this look e to the power 3x? लेकिन अब इसके साथ चाहिए -4 या फिर चाहिए 4, तो what will I do? Multiply 4 on both the side. So when I multiply 4 on both the side, I'm going to get 4e to the power 3x upon 3 equal to 4e to the power 3x dx. बच्चों साइन 2x का आंसर आ गया -half cos 2x एंड 4 e to the power 3x का आंसर आ गया as 4 upon 3 e to the power 3x. Now there is a minus sign, so now what we are going to do is we are just going to subtract and substitute. तो sin 2x की जगह पे आएगा -half cos 2x minus 4e to the power 3x की जगह पे आएगा 4 upon 3 e to the power 3x. And my dear student, that is your antiderivative. Simple. I conclude this video by just telling you one thing. Integration is one of the easiest chapter. बस याद रखना है कि जैसे आपके डेरिवेटिव में आप एक स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन से स्पेसिफिक आंसर आ गए हो, उसी तरीके से यू आर गोइंग टू गो फ्रॉम अ स्पेसिफिक आंसर टू अ जनरल क्वेश्चन. Stay tuned for more videos on integration. We are not done with the chapter. We still have many more techniques to solve this chapter, and trust me, I'm going to make your life easier because as we know, as Samson's Academy, I just don't teach, I write your future. Thank you. Share, subscribe and like.